do not watch this ungayibukanga yokuqala. But-ke let me continue. uNkulunkulu esebenzisa le language ethi one God, one. uJesu Kristu wazalwa yedwa. Khona ungeke ngelinye ilanga kube khona omunye represented by ingilosi ethize nomunye oba represented by enye ingilosi. Cha, khona sonke soba represented by the prime being. Khona sonke njalo sizo represented the prime being. Shukuthi we are supposed ukuthi masihamba sibe kinder to each other. We are called ukuthi njengamaKristu sibonakale ngothando. Not ngoba le nto leyo ilula, because uJesu Kristu is supposed ukuthi le nto si relate ngaleyo ndlela. But in this world we live in, there are less and less people abathanda izinto zikaNkulunkulu in such a way ukuthi enforce sexual immorality in youth ne-alcohol. Zonke izinto lezi zi-enforcewayo zikhona ukuthi zizo-destroy our ways of thinking. And in this beautiful nation filled with so many people, we are forced ukuthi sikhethe ama-morals sibekele wona ama-politicians noma i-constitution thizeni sibeke lapho sithi okay, mhlawumbe ukuze nami ngibe umuntu kumele nami ngicabange ngalo ndlela lena. No, ukuze ube umuntu ufanele understand ukuthi you are unique and you are the only being when. Therefore you supposed ukuthi ucabange nangaleyo ndlela. Fanele i-idea yakhe emqondweni uzazi ukuthi I have to think ngale ndlela lena because I am unique in such a way. Shukuthi izwi lenkosi it is not there ukuthi izocompress noma sebekufundisile esesensazana safunda ukuthi izwi lenkosi thina kumele ngangizomunye umuntu efakaza ethi ngabhlungu sengiphila impilo yami isikhathi eside kangaka ngingazenzi izinto engifuna ukuzenza, ngingahambi ngami ngiyowenza izinto engithanda ukuzenza. It is that way le ongenza ngi-question izinto eziningi about humanity ukuthi what has it come to ukuthi izwi lenkosi elikhuluma ukuthi you have to do good, you have to love. Ukuthi izwi lenkosi elikhuluma ngezinto ezipositive ngale ndlela lena ukuthi umuntu manje sekumele abuye lezi zinto engazi ukuthi izona ezimthotsharishayo ekade kuyizona izinto ekuyizona ezim-empowerishayo umuntu ukuthi abe even better being. Thina mangabe uphumamela ucabanga ukuthi kufanele uhambe usebenza, masuqeda ukusebenza kumele ufeed your family only. Sesaba raised in greediness, sesaba greedy, asacabangelani ngobani because sesi-enforced to a programmed way of thinking enza wonke umuntu abe happy. Kanti we have inkosi yamakhosi ekhona ukuthi thina